Why are you ignoring the competition? A lot of people say, I need to build a website, I'm stuck, I need a template or a theme. Or maybe they've already got a website and they're not doing very well, like they're nowhere near page 1 and their other competitors are doing much, much better for them. They're getting more sales, more leads. Or maybe they just don't know where to start. I've got a company, I need a website, I have no idea. Yeah, I'm not talking about the look of it. I have no idea about my services, my pricing. I really want to do this. I'm passionate about it, but I'm just stuck. I need help. Your competition, who are available online, have got all the intel you need to help yourself. Let's go through them step by step, right? Three things here. First one is the look of the website. If you know there are other companies in your area or region that are offering a similar service, go and check them out. If they've got a website, go and look at the website. If they haven't got a website, call them up or drop in an email. Don't tell them who you are, but you can easily, find out a bit more details. And I'm sure they'll have an advert somewhere. Maybe they haven't got a website, but they've got a Facebook group. Go and look in there. What are the services? What are they offering? What are the prices? What's the range? Can you do better, the same, a little bit different? If they've got a website, what does the website look like? What do you like and not like? Don't say, hey, I've got to build a website for a landscaper. Someone give me ideas. Excuse me, go to Google, do a search in your area or the area of the client. What's the top 10 websites that come up? Because they're obviously ranking. And I don't mean sponsored adverts. After the sponsored adverts, what is ranking the top 10? What do you like? What do you dislike? The hero banner, the layout, the content. Lots of pages, just a few pages. What have they got? Look at the color scheme. Look at the branding. Everything you need to know is there for you. But don't just stop there. The top 10 that are ranking. Go and use SEMrush. There's loads of tools out there. What are the key words and the key phrases they're using? Is there any similarities? Can you use them for your business or your clients as well? There's going to be some common words in there, because otherwise how did they get up there onto the page? So can you steal them? And by the way, the word steal is very open, okay? It's just a word. If they're a landscaper and they said landscapers in London, and that's what they're all ranking for, well, make sure you put it in for yourself as well. Of course, you're up against some competition, but you can refine that, because they might have put the word landscapers in London, but they haven't done London landscapers maybe. So switch the words around. Utilize what you can find out about your competitors or other businesses in the area to help your business out. So the next time anyone or you, by the way, are thinking about designing a website and you're stuck for ideas on how it looks, the content, the keywords, well, I do landscaping, but I'm a bit stuck there. Go and do a search. Go on the internet. Google. Okay? See what's out there. Do a bit of homework, research, and you will get all the ideas that you need to formulate your own action plan. I'm Imran, Web Squadron. I'm telling you, you can do it. See you soon.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat.